Money work automatically. Set small automatic savings or investments. Once it's set, you don't think about it again. Reuse what already works. Old videos, posts, or content can still make money. Repost, repurpose, or update instead of starting from scratch. Earn while you sleep. Focus on passive income ideas, digital products, monetized videos, blogs, or referral links. Cashback is free money. Use apps or cards that give cashback on things you already buy. Sell once, earn many times. Create something once, ebook, guide, template, script, and sell it repeatedly. Use tools to do the work. Automation tools, AI, and schedulers save time and energy. Cut expenses quietly. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. That's instant profit. Leverage what you know. Teach or explain simple things online. Knowledge equals money. Compound small wins. Small daily income adds up faster than waiting for one big breakthrough. Consistency beats hustle. Do little, but do it often. Lazy doesn't mean careless, it means smart. Smartest money doesn't need daily attention. Set up automatic savings, recurring investments, or auto deposits into income platforms. Even small amounts grow over time because consistency beats effort. Once it's running, you focus on living, not checking balances. Turn free time into assets. Free time should produce something, not just disappear. Instead of endless scrolling, use small pockets of time to create assets like videos, templates, notes, or guides. Assets keep working long after your time is gone. Low effort, long reward. Not all work pays equally. A well-planned video, article, or product can earn for months or years, while rushed work dies fast. Lazy money focuses on quality once, reward many times. Let platforms do the heavy lifting. You don't need to build everything yourself. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, digital marketplaces, and social media already have millions of users. Your job is to place your content where people are already searching. Simple sells better. People don't pay for complexity, they pay for clarity. The easier your solution is to understand, the faster it sells. Explain things simply, show clear results, and remove confusion. Lazy money avoids overthinking. Stack small income streams. Don't wait for one big miracle. Small earnings from ads, referrals, digital products, or services can quietly stack together. Individually they look small. Together they become powerful. Outsource or automate boring tasks. Energy is currency. Anything repetitive or draining should be automated with tools or removed completely. Save your energy for thinking and creating, not routine work. Create evergreen content. Trends fade, but evergreen content lasts. Focus on topics people will always search for: money, skills, faith, motivation, solutions. Evergreen content keeps paying even when you stop posting. Monetize what you already do. You are already valuable, you just haven't packaged it yet. If you explain things, teach, motivate, or create content for free, once, benefit repeatedly. The goal is not to work harder every day but to create something that keeps paying. A system, a product, or a piece of content should continue working even when you rest. Time is more expensive than effort. Spending many hours doesn't mean you're earning more. Smart money focuses on activities that save time while increasing results. Do the work when energy is high. Create and plan when your mind is fresh. Later, let systems and tools handle distribution, sales, and repetition. Position beats promotion. Being in the right place matters more than shouting. Place your work where people are already searching instead of forcing attention. Repeat what proves profitable. If something works once, repeat it. Lazy money doesn't chase new ideas every day, it doubles down on what already brings results. Remove friction. The easier it is for someone to buy, watch, or engage, the more money flows. Simplicity increases income. Turn skills into systems. Skills pay once, systems pay continuously. Package what you know into processes, products, or content that runs without you. Protect your focus. Distractions steal money quietly. Fewer tasks, fewer platforms, fewer decisions lead to better results. Let patience do the heavy work. Most income grows slowly before it grows big. Give systems time to mature. Quiet progress is still progress. You don't need to look busy to be profitable. Growth behind the scenes is often the strongest.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.